I've sold a lot of homes on this peninsula. Let me tell you why I had to shoot this one. 3418 Seaglen Drive, Mira Catalina. One of those quiet pockets of Rancho Palos Verdes most people never find. Mediterrania, a voluntary homeowners association that's kept these streets feeling like 1972 in the best possible way. Up the driveway, that fig tree actually fruits. Three-car garage. The mid century bones are all here. Clean ranch lines, stucco, timber, that little arched entry I love. But step inside and somebody has done the work. Turnkey. And then you walk to the back of the house, and this happens. A 180-degree panorama. Catalina Island, dead center. Trump National Golf Club, spread out below you. The hills of Rancho Palos Verdes, stretching east. And every room in this house, every bedroom, the kitchen, the family room, the backyard, every one of them captures it. Now, I see a lot of view homes in PV. This one is special. Here's why. Most view properties on the peninsula are split level. That's the nature of these slopes. To get a panorama like this on a single level, main floor primary, one tiny step in the entire plan, that's rare. The kind of thing buyers in their 50s and 60s drive 30 miles to find and write the offer the same day. Inside, white oak floors throughout, fresh paint, LED everywhere. The formal living and dining rooms anchor the front with a gas fireplace that earns its keep when the marine layer rolls in. The kitchen, and I love this, has been opened up. Corian and stone counters, stainless, tankless water heater. But the real move was knocking it through to the family room. Vaulted ceiling, sliding doors. The whole back of the house feels like one room, with the ocean on the other side of the glass. Speaking of which, this is my favorite spot in the entire property. Pergola-covered patio, private above-ground spa, lounge seating, and the ocean and Trump National sitting there as your wallpaper. This is where I'd be, every evening. Three bedrooms, all on one level. Main floor primary, two more down the same hall. No stairs anywhere in this house. None. Guest bath, refreshed. Clean chevron tile. And here's a detail most listings miss. Even the second and third bedrooms catch the canyon and the water. A view from every bedroom in 1,929 square feet. That should not be possible. But here it is. The primary suite. Double vanities, walk-in stone shower, separate jetted soaking tub, and the bedroom itself opens through sliders, straight onto the bluff. This is what you wake up to, every morning. Indoor laundry, central heat and air, three-car garage, all the practical stuff that keeps people in a house long-term. So, here's why this home didn't last on the market. Mira Catalina sits inside the Palos Verdes Peninsula School District, three of the strongest schools in Southern California, all yours from the front door. Trails, Trump National, the coastline. You get all of that. You get the view. And you get it on a single level in a quiet pocket for under $2 million. That's why 3418 Seaglen Drive, listed at $1,925,000, sold. If you want to know what's actually moving on this peninsula and why, that's what I do. Sellwithzoli.com.